Protecting Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y interiors. Floor mats ensure cleanliness, durability, safety, resale value, and easy maintenance. My today's video is about top 5 best Tesla Model 3 and Y floor mats reviewed that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fubi TPE floor mats. These Tesla Model 3 2024 Plus Highland floor mats deliver premium interior protection with a perfect blend of safety, durability, and eco-conscious design. Made from 100% eco-friendly TPE material, they are completely odorless and non-toxic, ensuring a clean and healthy cabin environment for both family and pets. The custom-fit design is precisely engineered for the Model 3, featuring factory-style retention clips that keep the mats firmly locked in place without interfering with pedals or seat rails. Built for all-weather performance, the high sidewalls and deep channels effectively trap mud, water, sand, and spills, protecting your original carpet from damage. The waterproof, stain-resistant surface makes cleaning effortless. Just wipe or rinse, and it looks new again. Anti-slip nubs on the underside ensure stability, even during aggressive driving, while the heavy-duty yet flexible TPE construction resists cracking and deformation in extreme temperatures. This complete three-piece set covers both front and rear rows, offering full interior protection with quick, tool-free installation. Now our second product is 3W Tesla Model 3 Highland floor mats. This upgraded floor mat set for the Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024 to 2026 delivers a premium combination of protection, practicality, and durability. The new metal pedal design enhances grip with a more non-slip and long-lasting structure, improving driving safety and control. A thoughtful upgrade includes extra front storage space for items like umbrellas, while the extended rear liners provide full underseat coverage for maximum interior protection that precision-crafted with high-quality TP, thermoplastic elastomer. These mats offer edge-to-edge custom fitment, ensuring complete coverage without shifting or gaps. The material provides excellent resilience, elasticity, and long-term durability, making it ideal for daily heavy use. Cleaning is effortless. Dust, dirt, or sand can be removed in minutes using water or a damp cloth. Additionally, the odorless and non-toxic construction guarantees a safe, fresh cabin environment even in high temperatures, supported by a free air freshener for added comfort. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this set ensures reliable protection and peace of mind for Tesla owners. Our third product is Atado for Tesla Model 3 floor mats. These Atado floor mats for the 2021 to 2023 Tesla Model 3 and Model Y offer a well-balanced combination of precise fit, safety, and all-weather durability. Designed specifically for Tesla's original floor layout, they provide a custom-fit experience without any trimming or adjustments, ensuring a clean factory-style appearance and instant usability. Safety is a key strength, with raised edges that effectively contain spills and prevent liquids or debris from spreading onto the carpet. The anti-slip backing keeps the mats securely locked in place, reducing the risk of movement during driving and enhancing overall safety. Built for all-weather performance, these mats handle mud, sand, rain, snow, and dust with ease, making them ideal for outdoor lifestyles like camping, skiing, or beach trips. Made from healthy, eco-friendly TPE material, they are safe for children and elderly passengers, while resisting dirt buildup for effortless maintenance. Now number 4, Wecker floor mats fits. These Wecker all-weather floor mats for the Tesla Model 3 2018 to 2023, not compatible with 2024 Highland, deliver a strong balance of precision fit, durability, and interior protection. Designed using advanced 3D scanning technology, they align perfectly with a Model 3 cabin layout, ensuring secure placement through factory-style anchoring points and an anti-slip backing that prevents unwanted movement during driving. Built from premium TPE material, these mats offer reliable all-weather resistance against rain, snow, mud, and daily wear. The high sidewalls combined with deep channels effectively trap liquids and debris, protecting the original carpet from stains and damage while maintaining a clean, factory-like interior look. Maintenance is simple and hassle-free thanks to the non-stick surface. Just rinse with water or wipe with a damp cloth to restore a fresh appearance. The textured anti-slip design further enhances driving safety by keeping the mats firmly in place, even during long trips. Overall, this is a durable and practical upgrade for Model 3 owners seeking full interior protection and easy upkeep. And our last choice is Spurtar for Tesla Model 3 floor mats. These Spurtar all-weather floor mats for the Tesla Model 3, 2017 to 2024, offer a strong combination of precision fit, durability, and year-round protection. Laser-measured contours ensure a custom-like fit across all supported Model 3 model years, covering both front and rear floors with accurate edge alignment that helps prevent dirt leakage into the original carpet. The honeycomb 3D edge design is highly effective at trapping mud, water, snow, and debris, keeping the cabin clean even in harsh driving conditions. Built for extreme climates, these mats maintain flexibility and structure in both sub-zero cold and high heat, resisting curling, cracking, or hardening over time. Constructed from heavy-duty, non-toxic, and odorless latex material, they provide a safe and sturdy interior environment. The carpet nib backing enhances grip, ensuring the mats stay firmly in place without sliding during driving. Installation is simple and tool-free, while cleaning is effortless. Just rinse or wipe. Overall, a practical and long-lasting interior protection upgrade for Tesla Model 3 owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.